Starting with the very basic. So the first kit which I have is the opposite kit. So we are using this kit basically for teaching integers, factors, multiples, and all sort of those things. So when we look at these, we have various coins and a board. So what we take is that we take the green side to be the positive integers and the white side to be the negative integers. So this is how we take it through. So just asking them if 2 minus 3, like we are adding two integers, I am taking two positive integers, and to it I have to add minus 3. So how will I do it? So I will be taking three white integers, three white coins. What does the two green represent? The two positive.
Positive.
And the white one represents the negative. So if I'm
Negative.
asking plus 2, so I will be placing two greens. And I'm asking minus 3, so I will be placing three whites. Now, how will I add them? The thing is that one green and one white will make up 0. Right? So when we see it over here, so one green, one white makes up 0. Other green, other white makes up 0. What are we left with? We are left with one white. So what does this represent?
-1.
-1. So this is how we introduce to them that 2 minus 3 will be -1.
Means we need to make a pair of one green and one white.
Yes, because one pair of green and white will be 0. White will be 0 because it is +1 and it is -1.
-1.
That makes up 0. So that is why they will nullify the effect of each other.